there's actually a chord 6 in there, which is... Yeah, that's C sharp minor chord. So it happens the second time round that we're playing the second half. Da da dum da 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 dum da da dum dum ba 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 bum ba ba bum da 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 dum da 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 dum da da dum da 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 dum dum da da bum da. There. Da 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 dum. Something like that. Let me see if I can find it for us. Okay, so it's here. Just about here, I think. Yeah, so around about 25 seconds in, so I'm just going to move this little slider up to there. So that's all it's going to play. You guys can see this on my desktop. So yeah, I'm just playing it from... I'll zoom in actually. I'm going to play it from here. It's about 26. Well, let's just slide it back a little bit. There we go. So it should be lined up, hopefully. There. Okay, let's bring in the normal speed just so we can hear practice along with that. And hopefully you guys can see now we've added in a more sort of colorful secondary chord. Your chord 2, 3, 6, and 7 are all your secondary harmonies. So 1, 4, and 5 are your primaries, and 2, 3, 6, and 7 are your secondary chords. I did the whole video on this as well, guys, if you're ever interested in learning more about the harmonies and how harmonies and chords work and how chord progressions work. There's a blog on the website. There's a video as well on YouTube. It's part of the Ask Me Anything series, so it's in that playlist. It's all about chords. I think it's just literally called chords. So yeah, let's just see if we can just play up to full speed with just our primary harmony and our one secondary chord, or chord 6 here, C sharp minor. So yeah, lovely to have that in, and that's da da ba 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 bum, something like that. Yeah, there's a couple of ways of ending that if you want to have like a little counterpoint, but we'll get into the counterpoint later. Okay, let's have a listen. Full speed.